In today's video, I'm going to teach you what fields are in Salesforce and how you can create a field in Salesforce. Salesforce is a powerful tool, and understanding how to create and use fields can significantly enhance your workflow and data management. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, we need to start by logging into your Salesforce organization. Once you're in, direct your attention to the gear icon located at the top right corner of the navigation bar. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu where you should select Advanced Setup. This option provides access to more detailed configuration settings, crucial for setting up new fields. After entering the setup area, you'll notice a search bar labeled Quick Find. This is your go-to tool for quickly accessing various administrative settings. Type in Object Manager and select it from the suggestions. The Object Manager is essential because it allows you to view and manage your organization's data models, the various objects where your Salesforce data resides. Next, identify and select the object you want to add a field to. This could be a contact, account, opportunity, or any custom object you've created. The Object Manager page lists all available objects. Pick the one that suits your needs to proceed to the next step. Now look towards the left sidebar of the Objects page. Here you'll find several options, but you'll want to click on Fields and Relationships. This section is where you manage existing fields and add new ones. It's like setting the parameters for how data flows in and out of that object. After clicking Fields and Relationships, locate the New button and give it a click. This starts the process of creating a new field. You'll be presented with a selection of field types. Depending on the data you need to capture, choose the appropriate type from options like text, number, or pick list. Once you've made your choice, click Next. Now it's time to enter the field label. This is the name your users will see when entering or viewing data in Salesforce. Enter a descriptive and easy to understand label because clarity is key. Salesforce will automatically generate the field name, commonly known as the API name, which you can use in code or integrations. Depending on the field type you've chosen, whether it's a text field that needs a length limit, a pick list that requires predefined values, or a numeric field needing decimal precision, go ahead and set these properties as needed. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Next. At this stage, you need to determine which user profiles can view or edit this field. Carefully check the appropriate boxes to either grant or restrict access, then click Next. Finally, you'll be asked to choose which page layouts should display this new field. Select the layouts where users need to interact with this field regularly, and once you've made your selections, click Save. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new field in Salesforce. By following these steps, you'll ensure your data is organized and accessible, enhancing productivity and decision making across your organization.